Another smaznug. So this, my friends, is the Samsung Galaxy S7, which was released sometime in 2016, the same year as the infamous Galaxy Note 7. But because this is not the Note 7, this is a safer version. I can actually hold this with no problems at all. So the Galaxy S7 was basically what the Galaxy S6 was supposed to be, with upgradable storage and water resistance. And you know, every Galaxy has to have a different UI. Although I must say, the one for the S7 looks so much cleaner than the S5, and the one for the S7 actually had a gesture base where you could swipe up for the apps instead of having to click on the button. I don't know if it's just this phone, but there's not as much bloatware as the S5. Oh, never mind. It's all in just different folders. I really do like the design of the S7, it's just so beautiful. The curved glass edges, although it may not be very good durability wise, design wise it is actually really pretty. Let's see what version of Android this one is running. Android version 8. I actually have no idea what this is. What is this? I actually have no idea what this is. Alright, you know the drill. We have to watch a YouTube video on it, just to test, you know? Let's watch one of my videos for once. Turn that volume up and change the quality to 1080p 60.
This is my main editing machine. This is how you're seeing this video right now. Isn't that neat? Some other Macs you can. Some others, not really.
I don't know if it's just the speaker, or if it's because it's not on full volume.
And well, yes,
Okay, it just wasn't on full volume. I'm sure this phone will still work completely fine if you want to hook it up with a SIM card. As for the Play Store, anything will completely work because there's stuff still on Android 4 that still gets support. In fact, let me just check that. I have my Note 9 here. Yeah, so Discord is Android 7 and up. Twitter is Android 8 and up. Unfortunately, Reddit is Android 9 and up, and Instagram is Android 9 and up. So most social media will kind of work on here. I don't know if Android has an option for you to download older versions. Directly from the Play Store, that is. I know you can like custom ROM of old app on here, but like I don't know how that works, so if you guys know in the comments, let me know. And you know the drill, we gotta test the camera, because why not? Alright, here's a video on the Galaxy S7. This is the rear-facing camera. I'm not sure what the quality is. Here's an iPhone 6 recording this video. And here's my junk PC. And here's video on the front-facing camera. It looks pretty decent. I don't have anything else to really say about it other than it looks kind of clear, at least from what I'm looking at. I should also mention that this is one of the last Samsung phones to have micro USB, because the phone that came a little bit after it, the Note 7, was the first phone with USB-C, and that was kind of a big game changer because USB-C is like everywhere now. And that's all I have to say about the Galaxy S7. If you have enjoyed this video and you want to see more, make sure to leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.